This video is going to be very short. It's about how to use the stopwatch on this Casio CA53W or CA53WF. And to do that, first we need to move to the stopwatch mode. We press this button on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are in the stopwatch mode. And then to start stop, just press this button on the bottom right. Okay, start, stop. And reset, we can use this button on the bottom left, the 0 button. Okay, you can also use this button to give a lap time. So for example, if I press the start like this and then press this one, you can get the lap time. And then press again the lap button, this one, and it will continue the stopwatch. And then press this one to stop, and then press this one again to reset. Okay, that's all. Hopefully this is useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.